Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to make a video for you real quick on how to trigger a call from within your Go High Level account. So I actually made another video that showed me making this work. So I added a tag to a contact and initiated a call. It called the contact. It was myself 'cause I did it for demo purposes. So I talked with it and it collected some information. Then we hung up. So and that was all done through Go High Level, initiating the call of the Air agent. So I'm just going to show you on the back end, how did that work? What was the API trigger, the webhook, how does that all work with Air to get that to happen? If I go into my workflow here, I have one already set up called Air Call API. And this is just a real simple demo one. Your trigger can be anything. You could, what's happening here is this custom webhook, but I just added a contact tag trigger to make this happen. Of course, you can put this anywhere in any workflow so that it can trigger off of a follow-up, a reactivation campaign. Sky's the limit, whatever you think of, you can trigger this call to go out, and you don't have to have real people making the calls. Guys, this is dirt cheap and it works. So uh, if we look at the tag, just a simple tag added is the trigger. And then this is the real magic right here. So this is a custom webhook. Just show you what that looks like. If I type in webhook, you have two. Make sure and choose the custom webhook. Okay. And then when you get into your custom webhook, you'll need to fill out the URL and you'll need to fill out the token. Keep in mind that you'll have to change this to bear token. So after you change that to bear token, then you'll need to copy and paste the URL here and a URL here. So I'm going to show you where to find those URLs at. The first one right here, I'm going to post this link in the description, this link right here, and all you have to do is copy this URL and then go back to your flow and paste it right here. When you paste it, guys, it puts a space right here. Make sure and take that space out or it won't work. Okay. And then the bear token, where do we get that? We get that from our Air account. So we go to Air, you'll click on your initials up here, go to integrations, then you're going to go to client API. You can make any one you want, like I have this demo one here. You just type the name of it. So you might say like GHL API follow call. So you'll probably want to have a separate one for each call that you initiate. That would make sense. So you would generate that, you would copy it, and then that's going to generate an API key for you. You're going to go back to your workflow and you're going to paste that here again under bear token. Make sure and change that to bear token or it won't work. And then so you've got your URL, you've got your bear token, everything's working good now. We need to get this data here. I'll post the template for this. I have this typed out. I'll post it in the description. When you first get it, it'll just be 0000. What this prompt ID is it tells it communicates with Air and says, this is the agent I'm going to use. So you can have multiple agents, outbound, inbound agents. You can have multiple inbound agents for different companies or different sectors of your company. So we have to tell it which agent do we want to be making this call that we're about to trigger. So that's your script. So if we go back to Air, how to get that those numbers, that code, we'll go to create, and then you just choose one of your agents. So this could be my follow-up. So this would be a follow-up agent, and it's just right here. Simple as that. It's these. For me, it's 5. Depending on when you join Air, it could be 6, could be 4, could be 5. But you want to copy those. Go back to your flow, and you'll paste that here, and then that's going to tell it which agent to call. So, and then after that, you're going, this data right here, this is just your Go high level contact data fields. Could be, your default fields will be right here, phone and name, and then any custom values or other fields like email, or maybe you have a property address, will be metadata, and you can connect those down here. And then you save that. And boom, if we were to test this, which I already have another video, we add the tag on the contact and it's going to trigger that call to happen. So really, really cool. A lot of people are going to find this useful. Guys, you're eliminating labor costs. This is huge. Like, these calls are cheap. I did a campaign for a business broker We made 600 calls. We had 34 pickups, and the total amount of time, since it's 11 cents outbound to do the dialing and to do the talk time, it was $5.60, and we got 2 appointments. Um, you just can't beat the pricing of this. Now, you're going to have, it's not going to be perfect. It's AI. Sometimes it'll trip up. Sometimes it gets tripped up with background noise. But you just have to keep in mind it's cheap. So, you know, be a little flexible. There's going to be some mistakes that happen, but it does work. So if you have questions, just let me know. I'll get the links posted in the description for you.